Hey guys, welcome back to the Lamelli Armory. Today I'm going to be looking at some amazing products from POM Industries. Many of you have probably seen POM Industries pepper sprays at various stores. They are an American manufacturer that prioritizes in personal defense products. Of course, one of them being the vast amount of pepper sprays. All right, let's go ahead and dive into these products here. One of them that stood out to me was this large home defense pepper spray. So it does have this awesome handle with some texturing here on the sides. It does have a safety pin, and a neat thing about these products is that they do have safeties, so you don't accidentally discharge, similar to like a firearm with a safety. So it's really good to have. This one has directions here in the rear. So how to prepare, like I mentioned before, you hold the canister upright and then pull the metal safety pin from the handle and keep at least 15 feet away from the attacker. So this would be a good option to have like on your nightstand, maybe downstairs, in your office, somewhere away from children, of course. You don't want them accidentally spraying themselves. And how to fire. So you press down on the actuator with your thumb. So that'll be up in here. And then of course you want to run away, escape as soon as you can. And I've seen these products around. They're extremely strong. So definitely for self-defense only. Really nice, big. You can see from my hand. Big bottle there. And here we have the POM MK3 Stream Spray. So here's the max strength. It does have the 360-degree performance and safety, 16 to 18 second bursts, or 9 seconds of spray. And there's a range 18 to 20 feet. That is really nice. And it also gives you the instructions, the steps. I'll go ahead and open this in just a second. Kind of looks like a mini flashbang or something, but it does have a clip that you can carry in your EDC bag, on your belt, so on. And these two actually the same, but they do have different bands. So there's a red and a black. And this one here has the range up to 12 feet. And the performance is up to 12 seconds of spray, or 24 seconds burst. So here's the formula. Of course they expire, so make sure you check, ensure that it's not expired when you're carrying this out. And then they also have the practice unit here. So you can put in water and spray. We'll test that out outside just to kind of get used to it. It's kind of like training when you go to the range, right? So you can do also at home with dry firing. So why not practice with water? Just to make sure that you're aiming at the right place. You know, you always want to aim toward the face. It does tell you that in the instructions. And then, of course, you want to run away, get as far away from the attacker as possible. So that's cool that this is available. And like I said, we'll be testing that. All right, let's take a closer look at the POM Industries MK3 Stream Spray. Here, I took the plastic wrapping off. And this is what it looks like. Super cool. Here's the clip. I like that it includes that. So again, you can put it in your EDC bag, women purses, or even your belt clip or your pants. And it does have a safety here up on top, so you don't accidentally spray. So you can see I'm pressing down here, nothing's going to happen. But then when you do, of course, want to use it, you just flip this up, put your thumb, spray down. So just like that, up, and then spray down. And even here in the directions just tells you to hold the container upright, aim at the intended target, insert your finger beneath the actuator lid, and depress the actuator. So this will fire up to 18 feet. And then of course, when you want to release, just like a trigger, just release the actuator to stop firing. I really like the look of it though. It looks, like I said, looks like a mini like flashbang or something like that. All right, now let's take a closer look at the other POM sprays here. So like I mentioned before, these are the same. It's just one's black, one's red. They do have different color options. Personally, me, I like the red. So I went ahead and opened that one. It does come with these awesome keychains. So you can, of course, clip that on here at the base. And then it does have a release. So you actually just press here and it pulls right out. So if you needed to use that, you have it on your keychain, inside your bag. I know some bags have the little clips in them, or where you can put your keys, stuff like that. You can carry that in there. This one also has a safety. So right up here, just like the previous one, you would just lift that up, put your finger in there, and spray toward the target. Checking the back of the box here. So this one is up to 12 feet. And it has, let's see, yeah, up to 12 seconds of spray, 24 seconds of burst. So still really good. Quite a bit of distance, and you also get the length. So definitely would recommend carrying one of these in your EDC bag or on your person. All right, and here's a closer look at the Home Defense pepper spray. Definitely the biggest one of the bunch. So I removed the safety tag there. As I mentioned before, to activate this, you want to go ahead and pull this pin, kind of like a frag grenade, just like so. And then you would press this down at your attacker, and you have this really good grip here. So you can reinsert this, just like that. Just put the safety back in, hear that click. Don't want any accidental discharges, just like it would happen with the firearm. I'm sure this would be definitely just as bad, especially in your house. So you want to run away from that attacker, run away from that area regardless, with this thing going off. But really easy to handle, just that pull, aim, and then press. And again, this one has, let's see, there it is, the range up to 25 feet, just 8 meters. So I may be missing it, but I'm not sure how long the length of spray is, but judging by how tall this is, it's pretty long and will be extremely effective. But yes, I'll definitely be keeping this either in my office or by my nightstand. All right, guys, and lastly here is the practice pepper spray here. So this one does have water only. I like that they changed the colors just so that you're not practicing with the wrong one. So obviously you don't want to use the real one to practice inside. You can use it outside, obviously far away, but I would definitely stick to the blue here. Just like the other model there, does have the safety, and then you would just put your finger down there, press down, and spray. So we'll go ahead and check that out outside. All right, so here we are outside. We have the practice one, make sure to grab the right one. So again, you want to lift this up. You can do it with your finger, point, and spray. You can see that stream super far. Spray it this way. Look at that. That's great. And back to safe. Then here are the bursts. So we do that. Looks like we're out. Yep. Definitely recommend practicing with these first. So some of you may be thinking, why do I need pepper spray? I already have my firearm, or I carry my knife, or both. I have other ways of defending myself. Well, the pepper spray adds an extra layer of protection. So first of all, you may not be able to carry a firearm, and some places restrict carrying a firearm. So I'd rather have one of these than have nothing at all. Secondly, the pepper spray is non-lethal. It's a non-lethal defense tool. So instead of firing, discharging at your attacker, you do have an option of using the pepper spray instead. I know all that legality takes a very long time. Your firearm gets confiscated and could take months to even years to get that back. I mentioned that it does add another layer of protection. Also really concealable, you know, even with our subcompact pistols, nothing is as small as this. I mean, you do have maybe the mouse guns or the pocket rockets, but this is going to be more streamlined, a lot more concealable, and available for you. You can also use this when you're out hiking, camping, running to fend off animals, even dogs that are running toward you, anything like that. You don't want to necessarily harm them, kill them. You just want to, you know, get them off you, and this is going to deter them from you. And I would recommend, again, practicing over and over with the water unit here so that you get used to it, just like you do when you go to a range or you dry fire at home. Continue to use this option first, and then you can feel the trigger press, you can feel the safety, build that muscle memory. So when and if that does happen where you have to use one of these, you'll know how to use it and be ready with it. Alright guys, so that was the POM Industries pepper spray products. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.